5 Best Eas System. Here is the product number 5 HYBON EAS Tag Remove. New Eas 12,000 grams Magnet Tag Remover Detacher Super Hard Tag Universal Remover Security Magnetic Eas Detacher Alarm Clothing Tag. Material, Magnetic Dimension, 75-35 mm Magnetic Force, 12,000 grams Packing, 1 pieces/carton Dimension, 9x9 5 cm. Here is the product number 4 1 PC1500GS Universal Magnet. This set consists of a super magnetic detacher 1500GS and a detacher hook for super security tag. This detacher is the most powerful detacher at current market now. Can remove almost all Eas hard tag including ink tag and golf tag, is the most powerful security tag remover at the market now. This is only used for slipper super security tag of Eas. Here is the product number 3 Free Shipping Super Magnet. Free Shipping Super Magnet 15,000 grams Security Tag Detacher for Shopping Mall and Supermarket Dimension, 80x80x50 mm Magnetic Force: 1500GS Color, red, blue, white, black. It can open all kinds of Eas hard super tags. Reusable product with extraordinary durability. Here is the product number 2 the 1 Super Detacher Magnetic Force. Reusable product with extraordinary durability. Well-designed appearance. Ease of use product. Outstanding performance on defeating resistance. High temperature endurance. Widely used in detaching Eas tags with remarkable detaching performance. Work with Eas tags, Eas Safer and Eas products. Here is the product number 1 Security Super Detacher. Brand name, Security Model Number, 415 Magnet Power, 1500GS Color, Chrome Plated Place of Origin, Zhejiang, China, Mainland HYBON EAS Tag Remove. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.